Get his face?
It was one of the most
That's
devastating natural disasters. 5 years ago today, only 230,000 people. The tsunami was triggered by a 90 earthquake off Sumatra Island in Indonesia. 20 minutes after the quake, a wall of water up to 6 stories high slammed into cars, houses, and people. 167 in Indonesia alone. All across Southeast Asia today, solemn memorials mark the anniversary on Sumatra Island, which was hardest hit by the disaster.
Jonah. Jonah.